Gunshots don't echo, they announce. A man walks into a room full of killers and nobody breathes, not because they fear the weapon, but because they fear the certainty. A glance, a pause, a slight tilt of the head. In under 2 minutes, every man in that room has already decided. This is not someone you lie to. This is someone you believe. No introductions, no explanations, just presence. And somehow, they trust him with their lives. This is the power of John Wick. But that power didn't begin in a room full of enemies. It began in silence. Before the suits, before the gold coins, there was loss. A man stripped of everything, a wife gone, a house that felt empty, a final gift taken away in one brutal night. Pain doesn't just break a person, it reshapes them. It removes the need to impress. It kills the fear of judgment. And in that space, something rare is born, authenticity. Because people don't trust perfection, they trust what feels real. And John Wick became real in the rawest way possible. But this is also where transformation begins. Because true mastery was never about controlling others. It was about controlling yourself. Slowing your breath when tension spikes. Holding your gaze steady when your instincts tell you to look away. Training your mind to remain still, even when your body is reacting at a biological level. This is the discipline that separates ordinary people from someone like John Wick. Not just the ability to observe, but the ability to remain unreadable. In the end, this isn't about manipulation. It's about awareness at the highest level. People are always revealing themselves in their eyes, in their silence, in the moments they believe no one is watching. The signals are constant. The truth is always leaking. The only difference is whether you've trained yourself to see it, or you're still blind to it. Because the real question is not whether people are hiding the truth. It's whether you're capable of seeing it when it's right in front of you. Watch him closely. He doesn't rush words. He doesn't fill silence. Every movement is controlled. Every look has intention. Psychology studies show that trust is often formed within seconds, not through long conversations, but through alignment, when body language, tone, and action all say the same thing. Wick never contradicts himself. His calm matches his danger. His silence matches his confidence. And that alignment makes people believe him instantly. Then comes chaos. A crowded nightclub, lights flashing, music shaking the walls, people running, panic everywhere. But in the middle of it, Wick moves differently, calm, focused, predictable in the most dangerous way. Humans trust patterns, and Wick becomes a pattern no one doubts. He doesn't react emotionally, he responds with precision. And that consistency under pressure creates something stronger than fear. It creates trust.